Welcome to Policy Pulse Global, your source for information and economic policy insights. In today's episode, we break down a pivotal move by the State Bank of Pakistan, a sharp cut in the policy rate to 12%. Is this the beginning of a new economic cycle? Let's dive in. In 2023, Pakistan's policy rate hit a record high of 22%, a textbook response to runaway inflation, currency pressure, and a volatile fiscal environment. But by March 2025, the SBP has slashed the rate to 12%, citing easing inflation and a need to support economic growth. In Pakistan, we saw interest rates hit a historic 22% in 2023, the highest in the region. While it helped control inflation, it also froze credit. Small businesses couldn't afford loans. Industries slowed down. Textile units in Punjab laid off workers. Youth unemployment rose, and political discontent spilled onto the streets. High interest rates may stabilize prices, but in countries like Pakistan, they also risk triggering economic hardship and unrest. There are three key reasons for the rate cut. One, inflation has come down from over 30% in mid-2023 to manageable levels in early 2025. Two, real interest rates are now positive, meaning the inflation-adjusted cost of borrowing is still high, even at 12%. Three, economic growth is sluggish, and high interest costs were choking private sector credit. A lower policy rate means checkmark. Cheaper loans for businesses and individuals, checkmark stimulus for investment and industrial activity, checkmark relief for the government's debt servicing burden. But there's a catch. If inflation rebounds or the rupee weakens, the SBP might need to pause or reverse course. This 12% rate isn't just a number, it reflects a shift in monetary policy strategy. SBP is signaling confidence that the worst of inflation is behind us. But how sustainable is this optimism? The global rate cycle, oil prices, and domestic reforms will all be decisive. At Policy Pulse Global, we decode the data so you can think ahead. Subscribe for more insights into economic policy, automation trends, and their implications for individuals and businesses. Drop a comment. Is this 12% rate too low, too late, or just right?